is what Aussies love, and everyone else in the entire world seems to think is gross and disgusting. Australians have grown up on this stuff and we love it. It's very salty and has got quite a strong flavour. Okay, so here's our Vegemite spread rice cracker, and that's about how much I would use for myself. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a bite just to show the chickens. Yum, yum. Let's see how they go with this. Look at that. Chickens don't mind Vegemite, although that one's been left behind. Maybe they don't like the Vegemite. A Vegemite covered rice cracker, this time with a lot of Vegemite. This is too much. I mean, if you're an Australian, you might want to eat this much, but anyone else in the world would think this is like a cow's salt lick. It would be disgusting. Let's see how we go. Chuggies! Come on. Okay, so the Vegemite's gone face down. Law of Murphy. And no problem eating it.